Good morning, children. Nana, in the last class, we have learned about the kinds of prepositions. Okay, Nana, what is the preposition we have learned? What is the preposition we have learned? And what are the different kinds of prepositions we have seen? So, what is a preposition? Preposition is a word which comes in front of a noun or a pronoun in a given sentence. What is a preposition? Preposition comes in front of a noun or a pronoun in a given sentence. Pre means before. Position means place. Pre means before. Position means place. These prepositions, they always come in front of a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Understood? Up to here you know. Okay, I told you an example of the what is known as pre and what is a place. So, preschool I told you. Pre means before. Pre means before. Preschool. What are the classes in preschool? LKG, nursery, LKG and UKG. Understood, Nana? So, now we will see. I have also mentioned about the kinds of prepositions. What are the different 4 kinds of preposition? Preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of location and preposition of direction. Okay, Nana? Yesterday we have done about the preposition of time. What it states? It states an action and answer the question with when. Answer the question beginning with when. Yesterday I have given you 2 or 3 sentences. Okay. Now preposition of place. What is the preposition of place? We will see. We will see the second one. Preposition of place. Preposition of place. Okay, preposition of place indicate the INDICH indicate the place, place or location and answer ANSW answer the question beginning with where, beginning with where. What is the definition here? See, Nana. Preposition of place. Place means, you know, where is your house? We will be calling where is your school, where is your grandmother's house. The place here it is indicated. Indication indicates the place or location. Place or location. This preposition of location also you can write the same thing, same definition. Indicates the place or location and answer the question beginning where. Beginning with where. Sorry, beginning with where. Okay, Nana? Beginning with where. Next one. See here. Preposition of place. Indicates the place or location and answer the question beginning with where. Answer the question beginning with where. Understood? So here, what is the definition here? That it tells the place or direction. Where the what we are talking about the particular thing. Where it is located or where it belongs. Okay, na? Example I will be telling you. See here. It also it answers the question beginning with where. Beginning with where. It answers the question beginning with where. Okay, na? Where are the fishes? WHERE where. ARER THE FISHES fishes. Where are the fishes? The fishes are at the bottom of the sea. Question answer. The fishes are at the bottom of the sea. At the bottom, BOTTOM, bottom of the sea. At the bottom of the sea. Where are the fishes means? The fishes are at the bottom of the sea. So it is answering the question starting with where. That is known as preposition of place. Preposition of place. You can also give another example. Question 2. Where is the box? The box is the box is the box is on the table. On the table. The box is on the table. Understood, Nana? See. So, preposition of place indicates the place or a location and answer the question beginning with where. అంటే ఇటు అది చెప్తుంది మీకు లొకేషన్ కానీ ప్లేస్ కానీ చెప్తుంది ప్లస్ ఇట్ ఆన్సర్స్ ద క్వశ్చన్ బిగినింగ్ విత్ వేర్. ఇట్ ఆన్సర్స్ ద క్వశ్చన్ బిగినింగ్ విత్ వేర్. వేర్తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే క్వశ్చన్కి ఆన్సర్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద ప్రిపోజిషన్? Here you can write location and the place, same definition nana. Preposition of place gaani preposition of location ki same vastundi meeku. Definition gaani examples gaani. Okay na? See, bottom of the sea. Where are the fishes located? The bottom of the sea. Where is the box? The box is on the table. Understood? So, what is the preposition of place? Indicates the place or action or location and answer the question beginning with where. Beginning with where. You are going to answer the questions beginning with where. That is known as preposition of place. Now we come to the third one, preposition of direction. You can write the same definition for the location also. Preposition of location. Understood? Now see the third one. See the third one. Preposition of direction. Preposition of direction. Preposition of direction. My preposition of direction. Preposition of direction. Okay, Nana? Indicates third one. I told you, preposition of place and direction. Preposition of place and location means one of the same, Nana. Same definition will come there. Okay? Third one. Preposition of direction. It indicates the direction and indicates the direction and answer the question beginning with where. Beginning with where. Again this is also coming with where. Okay, Nama? This is coming with where. Understood? of direction indicates direction and answer the question beginning with where. Beginning with where. Okay, na? So this indicates the direction. Which direction the girl walks, which direction the boy walks, which direction the car moves. Okay, na? Direction and answer the question beginning with where. Example. Where did Reena walk? Question. Example, see now. Where did Reena walk? Where did Reena walk? So answer is Reena walked towards the market. Towards. Direction endindamma? Towards the market. Reena walked towards the market. So it is Reena walked towards the market. It is a direction. Okay, na? Towards the market is the direction. Understood? Another example I will give you. Just I think you have copied the proper one. Now I will wipe off this and I will give another example. Okay, another example is where did the plane flew? Question 3. Where did the example Anna? Where did the plane flew? The plane flew over the buildings. Okay, Nana? This is your flew. Over the building is your direction. Over the buildings. Understood? This is your preposition of direction. Nana. Understood? So, what we have learned? We have learned about the kinds of prepositions. Okay, now kinds of prepositions. What are those? Preposition of time. Where in the preposition of time, we are going to answer the question starting with the when, whereas preposition of place and location is the same. Okay, so we are going to answer the question starting with the where. Okay, then preposition of direction is nothing but it tells about, it indicates the direction of the work which has taken place, and we are going to answer the question starting with where. So I have given you the example. Where did Reena walk? Reena walked towards the market. Okay, now where did the plane flew? The plane flew over the buildings. Okay, now. So you have understood the kinds of preposition, Anna? Kinds of prepositions, I think you have understood. Yes, go through the video once or twice before writing. Okay. So what did we learn today? We have learned about the preposition of direction and preposition of direction and preposition of place. Understood? Place and the location, the definition is same. Whereas direction, we have seen which direction the work is done, the work taken place, and answers where. Okay, answer the question where. Just go through this. Understood? Copy neatly, Nana. Copy the definitions neatly with examples. Okay, now I think you have written 1, 2, 3 question answers in the textbook. Today you are going to write 4, 5 and 6. What did he see in the new part of the forest while what did Brahmadatta see in the new part of the forest while cutting wood. He saw 4 beautiful fairies in the new part of the forest while cutting the wood. What way did the fairies suggest to Subhadatta? The fairies suggested that Subhadatta should stay with them. What did they ask? They asked to stay with them. Did Subhadatta agree to the fairies? Why? Yes, Subhadatta agreed to the fairies. He was so excited about the offer given to him by the fairies. Okay, Nama, you are going to write 4-5 question answers. Understood? Please go through the videos once or twice until you understand. The videos will not be vanished. Okay, Nana? The videos will not be vanished or jump from your phone until you remove it. Understood? So, you have understood the I think you have understood the topic prepositions and the different kinds of prepositions. Understood, Nana? Please try to copy each and everything perfectly. If any mistake, any problem is there, just call me. Understood? So, I am before leaving the video also I am checking and leaving. Understood? So, if you have any doubts, just call me. And you have to write today's work. You have to, I think you know how to write. After one page, every day, for every video, you use one fresh page, Dana. For the grammatical part. Understood? Okay. Okay. Try to write it, complete it. I think you have written the new words also, Nana. After new words only, I am giving the grammar part. Okay, Nana. The concept connection and the remaining matter about that concept connection. That is the material for the this grammar, Nana. Okay, Nana. I think you complete the work. Yes? Okay. Complete the work. Complete your question and answers. Workbook we will be doing in the next week. Okay, Nana? Okay. Have a nice day. Complete your works. Okay, bye. And another thing is, every day at least you read 1 or 2 questions. See, start doing the revision. Okay, na? Every day you read at least 2 questions. Okay, at least till now if you have not read, at least start from now. You can read 2 questions, 2 meanings every day. By that you can complete your portion easily only. Because if you have any doubt on the grammar, means your parents are there with you to explain. Because these videos, after every 3 lessons, again we are giving the revision of the grammar. Yes or no? Like that. So your parents are having the video. So if you have any doubt, you can clarify by that. Understood? Okay. Bye. We'll meet in the next class.